Yes, hello members, welcome back again. It's me Romano once again. So today's video I want to take you through how you can work about Google Map, how you can access your Google Map, and how to operate Google Map. So as I remember in the previous video, we said for you to have a Google account, cause this Google Map we can access it from our Google account, as we saw from how we access our Google contacts. It is almost the same format. So you need to have an email for you to be in position to sign in to your Google account. So after that, you can access your Google account as well as accessing your Google Map from your Gmail account, as we're going to see from here. So here you need to first go to your Google, your email account, your Gmail account, sorry. So after accessing your Gmail account, you will still follow the same track by going to the right hand corner of the Gmail account page, as you see here. Let it open and we go there. So here, so you need to come up to here where my cursor is rotating, my pointer is rotating. So you need to click here, just single click by the way. After that, you'll choose, there is a Google Map here, you see map here, you need to tap the maps. So after tapping, it will give you a Google Map which is showing the location where you are. You can also access different locations near you, even those on which are far, plus their routes. So that is the main importance of having a Google Map. It's just to show you, direct you to routes or to places that you don't know. It shows even your location, to show the location of certain places you could not be knowing, location of somebody. So this Google Map, one thing we can appreciate, you can access them from your phone, from your laptop, so long as your gadget is fully signed with the Google account, as we saw the requirements necessary for you to sign in to your Google account. So briefly, this is what I can tell you. Thank you so much for listening. Don't also forget to subscribe and also like this video, my page, so that you can be in position not to miss some of the interesting things coming ahead. Thank you so much.